The answer is D bar. Okay, mark your attendance. Mark the attendance in classwork as well as in chat box. Fastly mark the attendance. All students complete this example. Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, understand the example?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how to create the octet in that example? In that way we can create octet. Na? This is the first term. This is the first and this is second. So makes the octet. याच पद्धतीने ऑक्टेट केले ना तुम्ही?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So write down the next heading. Rules of K-map simplification. Rules of K-map simplification. Rules of K-map simplification. K-map simplification. Write down the first rule. No zero allow. No zero allow means when we make the pair, when we make the octet or chord, does not allow the zero because it can contain the ones. It can make the adjacent groups of ones. Okay, so no zeros allow. Second one, diagonal grouping not allowed. Diagonal grouping not allowed means, for example, here is 1 and here is 1. Okay, and this remaining terms will be all the zeros. Remaining term is 0. Only diagonal entries are 1. So this is a diagonal entries 1, 1, 1 and 1. So this is diagonal entries. So these diagonal entries is not allowed for making the or grouping the pair or octet or any chord. Okay. So diagonal entries is not allowed. Next, third one rule. Only power of 2. Only power of 2. Only power of 2. Number of cells in each group. Number of cells in each group. Then fourth, third rule काय सांगते? Only power of 2 number of cells in each group. For example, if we have the 3 variables, so how many cells we can use?
8.
8. In the power of 2 rule we can use, so that when the 3 variables, so only power of 2 rules we can apply and the total number of cells is 8. So only power of 2 number of cells in each group. For example, we have 2 variables. So how many number of cells?
4.
But we cannot add, that is 5 cells, 6 cells or the 7 cells or the 9 cells. Only power of 2 base rule. According to that variable, we can only create the cells. Okay, so this is the third rule. Next, group should be, fourth rule, group should be as large as possible.
मैम रिपीट करो
कौन सा वाला?
फोर्थ वाला
Okay, groups should be as large as possible. As large as possible. Group should be as large as possible. For example, आपके पास adjacent ones है. For example, यहाँ पे 1 है, यहाँ पे 1 है, यहाँ पे 1 है और यहाँ पे 1 है. Okay. इसमें से आप पेयर भी कर सकते हैं because the pair is a group of 2 adjacent ones. But rule say that we make the group of, or we can create the group of large number of ones, or large as possible as we can create the large number of ones. We can also create this is pair, but we can make the group of large ones. That is, we can create octet or we can create the chord. So here we can directly create a chord. So we cannot create the pair because we can eliminate the more variable as possible. Okay, so that the fourth rule is group should be as large as possible. Then fifth one, everyone must be in at least one group. Everyone must be in at least one group. At least one group मीन्स इसका मीनिंग क्या है, यहाँ पे भी वन है और मैंने यहाँ पे भी वन किया. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी कैन राइट हियर द वन. ओके, हियर राइट द वन. सो इन दिस के मैप आपके पास क्या क्या क्रिएट होगा?
Chord and pair.
Yes, chord and pair. For example, we create here the chord. Okay. Then you cannot create again chord, this one, because they can use only one group or only one in at least one group. एक ही ग्रुप में आपका एक वन आ जाना चाहिए, इसलिए यहाँ पे chord भी होता है और ये दोनों है, इसका पेयर ऑटोमेटिकली बन जाता है. इसके लिए आपको फिर से chord बनाने की जरूरत नहीं, डुप्लीकेशन करने की जरूरत नहीं. एनी एक्सेप्शन केस के लिए आपके पास हो जाता है, बट आपके पास पेयर जब क्रिएट हो रहे हैं तो आपको उसका जो वन है उसको डुप्लीकेट लेने की जरूरत नहीं. मीन्स एवरी वन मस्ट बी इन एटलीस्ट वन ग्रुप. यहाँ पे एक ग्रुप आपका हो रहा है कॉर्ड का, तो आप यहाँ पे फिर से वो ऐड नहीं कर सकते. सो एवरी वन कैन टेक ओनली वन टाइम्स. ओके, दिस इज द फिफ्थ नंबर रूल. देन सिक्स, ओवरलैपिंग अलाउ. Overlapping allow. Overlapping means, for example, here we write the, okay, here we write is the one. Okay, so in that again create a pair, but best way it is suitable for it is makes the chord. Okay, so that the overlapping is also allowed for making a solution. Then seventh, wrap around allow. Wrap around allow means when we make the octet this type, wrap around allow, this one. Then 8, fewest number of groups possible. Fewest number of groups possible. Okay, so this is the rules for simplification of K-map. Next one is fewest number of groups allowed.
Okay, ma'am.
Then next one is, yes, Sushil.
मॅम 6 नंबर सांगा ना.
6 number, overlapping allow. Overlapping allow. First rule is no zeros allow. Second is diagonal grouping not allow. Third one, only power of 2 number of cells in each group. Then group should be as large as possible. Fifth one, everyone must be in at least one group. Then overlapping allow. Then wrap around allow. Then fewest number of groups possible. Okay, so write down the next heading. Minimization of SOP expression. Minimization of SOP expression. Minimization of SOP expression. In bracket, K-map simplification. K-map simplification. So for minimization of SOP expression, the various procedure or various rule are used. Write down the minimization procedure. In that, write the minimization procedure. The first one is write down the step first. Write down the step first. Write down the step first. Prepare the K-map. Prepare the K-map. prepare the K-map and place ones according to the given truth table or logical expression. The step first is prepare the K-map and place ones according to the given truth table or logical expressions. In that, fill the remaining cells by zeros. When we solve the SOP expression, so that is the rules for filling the SOP expressions. Step first is prepare the K-map and place ones according to the given truth table or logical expression and fill the remaining cells by zeros. Then step second, Salika first step.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write down the step second. Locate the isolated ones. That is the ones which cannot be combined. With any other one. Encircle search ones. या स्टेपचं मीनिंग काय आहे? जर आपल्याकडे केमॅप मध्ये जर आपल्याकडे फक्त सिंगल वन आला आणि त्याच्यासोबत पेअर करायला काहीच नाही, कॉर्ड करायला काहीच नाही, तर त्याला काय करायचं? डायरेक्टली तुम्ही काय करायचं? इन सर्कल म्हणजे त्याला काय करायचं? डायरेक्ट सर्कल ड्रॉ करून द्यायचं. म्हणजे फॉर एक्झाम्पल आपल्याकडे जर असा केमॅप आलाय, ओके, बाकी रिमेनिंग टर्म काही पण असो, जर माझ्याकडे सिंगल वन्स राहिला, फॉर एक्झाम्पल बाकी काही पेअर होऊन माझ्याकडे फक्त इथे एक वन राहिला, तर मी काय करणार? त्याला इन सर्कल करणार आणि त्याचे एक्सप्रेशन राईट करणार. बिकॉज वी क्रिएट द एक्सप्रेशन फॉर द वन्स. ओके, सो इन सर्कल दिस वन्स. Then step third, identify the ones which can be combined to form a pair in only one way and encircle them. Means identify the ones which can be combined to form a pair in only one way and encircle them. Then step fourth, identify the ones which can form a chord in only one way and encircle them. Step 5, identify the ones which can form an octet in only one way, in only one way, and encircle them, and encircle them, and encircle them. And encircle them. And last step is step number 6. After identifying the pairs, after identifying the pairs, comma chords, identifying the pairs, comma chords, and octets, and octets, and octets, check if anyone is yet to be encircled, is yet to be encircled. If yes, then encircle them, with each other, and write down the note. Next line note. Number of groups should be minimum. The number of groups should be minimum. The number of groups should be minimum. So this is the rule for minimization of SOP expressions. So what is the rule? The first rule says that when we write the expressions, if the value is present in that expression, so write in the one in a cell, according remaining value will be 0. Next, when any isolated one are present, then again encircle them. Then third, if the pair is present, if our pair is formed, then again it can encircle them. If octet is formed, then encircle them. If chord is formed, then encircle them and identify the octet, pair and chord. Okay. So write down the example for that. A logical expression, write down the example. A logical expression in the canonical SOP form, is as follows, y equals to a bar, b bar, c bar plus a bar, b, c bar plus a bar, b, c plus a, b bar, c. Minimize it using K-map technique. टेल सॉल्व करता.
Yes, ma'am.
काय काय तयार होतं ते सांगा. आयसोलेटेड येतंय का, पेअर येतंय का? Isolated means single one, no adjacent ones are present. So that means isolated, and also add this isolated terms in an expressions.